Hi guys, I have just started a video, although I don't know what to record, but the name is going to be same, the title is going to be the same, the Human Nature series, and this is going to be, I think, seven, eighth video. I don't know. So we're gonna talk about now that how can be fully present in the in the present situation, in spite of having big goals for our career, for our academics. Yes. So first of all, that we must understand is that we have to calm down. We need to calm down. We need to be present in the present. We need to have the presence of mind. We need to calm down ourselves, because then only we can think of a good idea, of a right path to walk on. And uh, I just don't want to go philosophical, but as I don't have any topic, I think philosophy is my last resort, from where I can, take content. And I love philosophy. Literally, I love the philosophy of life. See, uh, we often think, what is life? What is life? How things works? And for a student, life is full of ups and downs. Life is full of uncertainty, full of competition. See, as we are living in 21st century, where the population is so high, we can understand, we can think of the great personality, great minds who are much, who are, at another level of their expertise. Sometimes we have to compete with them, and we, you know analyze ourselves, we compare ourselves with them, and what we get: depression, anxiety, fear, inferiorness, and we got afraid. But we just forget that we are also human being, and the one who is at present is better than us, much better than us, is also a human being. He's not a god. What is the main difference between you, between me, or between the person who is better than me, is that he do something, or he did something on a consistent basis. Practice. The practice is the most uh, practice is the most lovable thing that you can think of. If you are, if you even don't know anything about a aspect or a subject or anything of a work, you can be the best person in the world in that work by just practicing. You're not a football player, you don't even know how to pass the ball, but you can be the best footballer ever held, ever born in the on the earth, by just practicing. The more you practice, the more you better become. And when you are practicing and when you are doing something, just don't analyze yourself at that moment. Keep practicing, keep practicing, keep practicing. Moment will come, then moments will be coming in the process, that yeah, here also, where I stand, where I stand, it's not, you know it's not enough, it's not enough. But don't get disappointed with that. it's not enough because it is never going to be enough. Even when you will be the best person in the world, then only then, even even then, you would have the potential to be better even then, because we humans have the power to create. We humans have the power to multiply our potential. The more we do, the more we get, the more we get, the more we do, the more we practice, the more we become, the much pressure we can hold it. You know, whenever we go out of the box, whenever we go out of the comfort zone, our potential increases. The more we will be in comfort zone, the more it shrinks. So that's why if we want to increase the potential, we have to be in the uncomfortable zone each and every day. Each and every day. It is it you know you have to be disciplined each and every day. The people who say we should celebrate cheat days, no. With whom you are cheating? You can cheat anyone. Okay, you are free to cheat the other person, but never cheat yourself. Never cheat yourself. If you have decided something, just do it till the last breath you remaining. Just do it. Just keep doing it. It's not matter if you complete it or not. What matter is that if you don't complete it, okay, but you have been in the process, you have been completing, you were trying your best till last breath of your life, that will give you the utmost peace, tranquility, and you will be feeling high. That is why only 1% people are different from 99%. Why? Because those 1% people do everything in a different way, even common thing in a different way from the person others, from the person that are 99, that constitute 99% of the world. That is why they are 1%. That is why we don't find anyone like them, because they are only 1%. And social media, yes, social media is just a waste of time. It is just a waste of time. We youth are getting involved in that, in a fake world that does not even exist. And we youth make fake scenarios, make fake notions, perception towards any specific aspect of life, towards people, towards community, towards nature, towards thoughts, and that is just ruining our life. So when you decide something, a goal for yourself, you have to protect yourself from being, in the vulnerability of these social media apps. It is a complex process. It is a simple process even. That is simple. You have to protect yourself. You have to keep going. That is it. No matter what comes in your path, no matter how hard it become to cross that. Simple. Keep things simple. If you have decided the goal, just keep doing whatever is necessary to achieve that goal. That is the only thing you can do, and that is the only thing that will make you feel good, that will make you feel better every each and every day. Hmm? So but one thing that is I want to tell you, that I want to add: be present in the present. Don't get absent from the present. You have decided the goal, it's okay, yaar. But you know what you are thinking, that I will be working hard in the process. You already imagine your process while you decide the goal. But you are in the present. What you are doing in the present, right? Yeah. So just connect yourself, connect your present with the process. Do not be do not have different point of views for the process. And for another thing, that is your current. Main thing is not process. It can be fascinating, imagining the imagining the moment when you are where you are studying, where you are doing your best, where you are getting where you are getting hardship in the path, and you are struggling to achieve that, struggling to pass them, striving to do your best. That that gives a good feeling. But at the same time, that is not true. It is just your imagination. You are still at this point where what you are doing, right? You are watching this video, right? Motivation is not anything that will give you the potential. No, because the things which you don't want to do, the things which you find hard, the things which you find boring, only those things are going to help you. Only those things are going to uh, you know make you better, increase your potential, and nothing else. Nothing else. See, you just uh, accept one thing, that is the things that you don't want to do, but in the soul, from within, you know that these are the only things which give me which can help me achieve my goal. Do them in any way. Do them in any way. Just you know assume, just believe that your body is just for exploitation for improvement. Because you have to exploit your body, you have to exploit your mood, your brain, if you want to get better. See, there are two types of exploitation. First, in which your body gets pleasure, your mind gets pleasure. That is exploitation, that is negative exploitation. And the positive exploitation is that you're feeling bad, you're feeling boring, but you are still doing the things. You are just facing headaches, uh, migraine, like this and that, but still you are exploiting your body. That is the good. Sometimes, many times you get tired, many times you get illness, disease, but you know that yes, you are doing right. That's all matter. And one thing that is to be that is to be wary about, you have to make yourself, you have to be healthy, you have to retain your healthness, you have to prioritize your healthness. और यहाँ हमारे 15 मिनट पूरे हुए। आपको अपनी फिजिकल हेल्थ का भी उतना ही ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ये तो रिसोर्स है ना, बॉडी तो रिसोर्स है। आप कह रहे हो कि जो है मैं एक मशीन को, जैसे एक जो है गाड़ी को सालों चलाऊंगा या दूर तक जाना है मुझे, तो उसकी सर्विस करना भी तो आपकी ज़रूरत है। टाइम से पेट्रोल डालना, टाइम से जो है उसकी सर्विस करना, ग्रीस मारना उस पर, शाइन मारना उस पर। तो ये बॉडी आपकी व्हीकल है जिसके द्वारा आप जाना चाह रहे हो आगे। तो शाइन मारने के लिए तो इसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट तो करनी पड़ेगी, डेली रेगुलर इन्वेस्टमेंट करनी पड़ेगी। बॉडी को हेल्दी रखो, हेल्दी खाना खाओ, ठीक है। टेस्टी नहीं हुआ चलेगा, हेल्दी कुछ चीज़ें ना डेली की अपनी बना लो कि यार ये चीज़ें तो खानी खानी है। और कुछ चीज़ें कर लो कि यार ये चीज़ें लिमिटाइज कर लो, ठीक है। चाय होती है, लोग पागल होते हैं चाय के पीछे, दिन में 2 गिलास कर लो बस, दैट इज़ इट, काफ़ी है। टेस्ट को भी तो रेसिस्ट करना ही पड़ेगा ना आपको, ठीक है। कुछ नहीं, कई सारी चीज़ें रेसिस्ट करनी, ये रास्ता ना मुश्किलों से नहीं, बस मुश्किल मानने वाली चीज़ों से घिरा पड़ा है, एंड यू हैव टू क्रॉस देम इन एनी वे, ठीक है। लेकिन हाँ, आप तो प्रेजेंट में हो, सोचो, प्लान करो, ओवर थिंक मत करो, जो सोच लिया वो कर दो, ठीक है। छोटे छोटे प्लान बनाओ, बिकॉज स्मॉल स्टेप्स लीड्स टू big step. Small step lead to the destiny, but in a consistent way. Good. Happy. Bye.